How to enable developer mode on Chromebook. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to enable developer mode on Chromebook. To do it, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So first of all, what you could do is to enable it. You could make sure your Chromebook is turned off and ready to enable the developer mode. Be sure that you have backed up your data stored locally on your device. To do this, you need to make sure your Chromebook is turned off. Keep and hold the escape and refresh and a power key simultaneously. When you see your Chromebook start to power on, you could let go of the key. Now you'll see a recovery process screen, something like this. Now select advanced option and then choose developer mode or press on Ctrl D. If you see a message asking you to verify, then verify the operating system, press the enter button. The Chromebook should now start in developer mode. So that is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.